Looking for a drama that'll capture your heart without endless hours? You're in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 10 short Turkish series that pack all the drama, passion, and romance you crave in binge-worthy formats. Grab your popcorn and let's dive right in. Number 10, Grapes of Love, Kadar Balar. The story of this drama revolves around Kerim, the heir to a renowned winemaking family. While visiting his family's vineyard in Montenegro, he meets Sevda, a vibrant law student. They promise to reunite a year later, but fate leads them somewhere unexpected in Turkey. Will destiny grant them a second chance? To witness if love can defy destiny, dive into this drama. Number 8, The Hood, Kopuk. Farhan Duman grows up in the harsh streets of Tarlaba, stealing from the corrupt to help his people. Yet when the criminal underworld tightens its grip, Farhan realizes good intentions may not be enough. To see how far a hero can go without losing himself, don't miss this gripping story. Number 7, Forevermore, Vermem Seni Ellere. This drama follows Memo, a man running from an unwanted marriage, and Jehra, a woman burdened by village expectations. Their paths collide, literally, sparking a journey neither can predict. To find out if freedom or fate wins, journey through this unforgettable tale. Number 6, No Mercy, Gaddar. The story of Levent is based on sacrifice and return. After serving in a brutal military unit, he comes home to find his world shattered. Now, facing betrayal and decay, he must decide whether to fight back or fall deeper into darkness. To see if love and hope can survive a battlefield at home, explore this intense drama. Number 5, Summer Song, Yaz Arks. In this sweet romantic comedy, Yaz moves to Istanbul to fulfill her late father's dreams. Her arrival shakes up the lives of childhood friends Mirei and Kemal, testing old bonds with new feelings. To find out if friendships can survive the storms of growing up, join this heartfelt story. Number 4, A Father's Promise, Dilekta. This emotional story is centered on Mustafa, a factory worker drowning in debt to save his wife. Separated from his daughter, Mustafa risks everything to reunite with her inside the walls of a wealthy family's mansion. To witness a father's unstoppable love, watch this moving drama unfold. Number 3, Another Love, Bambaska Biri. Kenan, a beloved news anchor, and Leela, a fearless prosecutor, cross paths during a murder investigation. Their search for the truth entangles them in a dangerous web of secrets and forbidden passion. To see if love can survive when trust is shattered, don't miss this thrilling story. Number 2, Tale of Ashes, Kul Masal. Ozge, a humble chef, marries into the powerful Girail family, but life in the mansion is no fairy tale. Jealousy, betrayal, and manipulation threaten to destroy her love and herself. To uncover whether true love can survive poisonous wealth, watch this captivating series. Number 1, Love Undercover, Ruhun Duaymaz. Onur Karsu, a top-secret agent, plans to trap a diamond trafficker by charming his sister Hilal. But when the unpredictable EC crashes into his life, emotions he thought he buried start to surface. To find out if duty or love will win, embark on this thrilling journey. And there you have it, 10 short Turkish series that promise big emotions in small packages. Which one caught your eye first? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a heart-stopping story. Thanks for watching and happy binging.